We will begin this year's awards program by recognizing the recipient of the Rising Star Award. This award recognizes relatively new, up-and-coming small businesses with a unique blend of vision, energy, perseverance, and skill. It is for ventures that have been in business less than 5 years and have gotten off to an incredibly strong start with the potential for growing into a prosperous enterprise in the future. As such, this year's award recipient is JumpStart Auto Repair. JumpStart. It's an innovative collaboration that you won't see anywhere else. Between Harbor House Domestic Abuse Programs in Appleton and Christine Ann Domestic Abuse Services in Oshkosh, these two agencies teamed up to start a female-focused auto repair shop. All proceeds from full-paying customers are used to support domestic violence survivors to assist them in their journey towards self-sufficiency. They are open to the public 2 days a week out of Fox Valley Technical College as a full-service auto repair shop. They hired their first employee in 2016 and opened their doors in February of 2017. They've hired 2 more part-time employees since and have established a 200-plus customer base in just 1 year. JumpStart began working with the Fox Valley Technical College to become a place for female students enrolled in the automotive program to obtain their internships. They also hold free maintenance workshops for the community at Fox Valley Technical College, as well as the Appleton Public Library. This year, JumpStart will be moving into a standalone shop, open 5 days a week. JumpStart's dream is to see their unique innovation spread to other communities to help domestic violence survivors on their road to self-sufficiency. Accepting the Rising Star Award is General Manager Katie Vanderwielen. Let's hear it for Katie.
Good afternoon. Like she said, I'm Katie Vanderwielen, General Manager at JumpStart. After 5 years of planning by an amazing, talented group of women, and the support and generosity of the Basic Needs Giving Foundation at Fox Valley Technical College, JumpStart became a reality. We opened the doors in February 2017 and worked as a pilot program out of the J.J. Keller Transportation Building. And this pilot proved to us that our garage for good is exactly what this community needs. Our female-focused, friendly, and honest repair shop is one of a kind, as we use our profits to help the domestic violence survivors with auto repairs and start them on the road to financial stability. We've helped survivors maintain and achieve employment, while our customers know that the cost of their own repairs helps in this very important step to maintaining safety and freedom from their abusers. In the past year, we've built some wonderful professional partnerships: Automotive Supply, U.S. Venture, Rawhide Boys Ranch, Advanced Auto Supply, and the Appleton Public Library, all of which give back and support JumpStart and our mission. Our goal of having, I'm not gonna make it through this one. Our goal of having our standalone shop became a reality this past Sunday. With the generosity of we.org, we.org and the Me to We program, and this amazing community, and Randy and his wife at Randy's Auto Service, will open our doors in Neenah June 1st. This is going to give us the opportunity to expand our hours of operation, create job opportunities, and hopefully give some inspiration and get more women into the automotive careers. We look forward to what the future holds for JumpStart in our community. And JumpStart is just truly honored to be awarded the Rising Star Award this year. And I think I can say for our entire group that this is the first of many accomplishments we can do.